Keeping the competitive edge of convention and exhibition center in MICE environment. Identification of events attributes for long-run success. Impact of the MICE industry. This tourism and hospitality industry sector is generally characterized by its business and trade focus, although it also have public and leisure aspects. As well, it is important to note that the terms MICE industry, business event, business tourism, and business travel can be used interchangeably. Because the MICE industry comprises a large part of local markets, a purpose-built facility can invigorate the local economy and increase tourism, enhancing the destination's image overall. Because of these significant economic, social, and cultural impacts, both academics and practitioners have shown great interest in researching the MICE industry in various contexts and locations around the world. MICE venues and issues. The purpose-built MICE venues has positive impacts. There are some concerns such as oversupply and profitability, which are considered key issues that can result in dramatic competition among the space suppliers. Also mentions issues that cities encounter and should consider when planning a convention center. The critical factors are feasibility in funding, design location and construction, and operations management and marketing. The MICE business is global in nature. Convention and exhibition venues tend to be influenced by uncontrollable risks such as economic recessions, and uncertainty over the security of travel and the threat of terrorism. Unlike public organizations, private corporations may not have the resource of or expertise to handle such global level crisis factors. Next is findings. The findings indicate that there are distinctive gaps in terms of the importance and performance ratings for loading dock accessibility in meeting room facilities, which clearly shows that the event type determines attribute-based decisions when selecting a venue. It is understandable that loading dock accessibility will be an important attribute for exhibition planners because they have object to load and install, while meeting room facilities will be critical to meeting conference planners, which also showed that meeting organizers find meeting room facilities to be a critical factor in venue choices. Unfortunately, the findings showed that actual performance of attributes at BEXCO did not meet the needs and expectations of event planners. The attributes competence and responsiveness of staff and reasonable rent were ranked in the top 5 event attributes in terms of importance. However, those same attributes did not seem to impress event organizers from the performance perspective. Limitations in future recommendations. While this study attempted to capture the different perspectives of event facility stakeholders and employed the best resource available at the time of investigation. To do so, it is not lacking in limitations. It is used the same attributes that were already proven to be valid based on multiple previous studies on this topic. However, because the destination setting of the study differed, uh, pre-tests could have been conducted to identify attributes that are strictly related the South Korean destination. By having the additional pretest stage, new attributes directly related to the BEXCO setting could have been analyzed in more detail. Therefore, it is suggested that future studies conduct focus group interviews of academic scholars and professional event organizers who understand the characteristics of this destination to identify new attributes for investigation. Additionally, the study was conducted before COVID-19. There are event facilities features that are deemed to be important during COVID-19, such as having and incorporating COVID-19 safety guidelines, ventilation systems, sensitization equipment, testing facilities, and WTT's safety stamp that were not considered. Those a future study could aim to identify the important attributes to consider during COVID-19 and any pandemic situation. That's all. Thank you.